saya Rio. Di video kali ini kita akan membahas tentang alternatif no. Ini sebenarnya video lanjutan dari video Mr. So yang membahas tentang alternatif yes. Jika kalian belum nonton video yang sebelumnya yang membahas tentang alternatif yes, silahkan nonton dulu videonya. Kalian bisa lanjut nonton video ini, oke? Oke, langsung saja kita membuka pembahasan no. Oke. Yang pertama adalah no. It is very simple. So the example, do you have any cash? Just say no. I have no cash. So what's the problem, bro? No, no. It's no issue. Okay. Got the point? Okay. Let's continue. Nah is more like American style. So mostly the Americans just say nah instead of saying no. The example like, you want any shrimp for the additional of your breakfast? Just say nah, I got allergic with the shrimp. Got it? Next, for the third one is sorry. Sorry, you can say sorry instead of no, but it's more like a more British, okay? So the example, would you like to join the party tonight? Just say sorry, I'm a little busy tonight. The final one is no way. You can give this answer instead of no if you have no possibility. So you want totally refuse the offer, so you can just say no way. Got my point? And I think that's all about the video on the alternative now. For the next video, we're going to talk about another material. Just no answer is totally done. So if you have any request material, you just comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification for the new video of us.